Dance all night long. All night. Feel the beat. Feel it strong. So strong. Move your body. Never wrong. Never wrong. We belong. We belong.
I'm grateful, first of all, for God just for putting us here in this position to be able to win again. I'm thankful for my girls, my queens. Without them, nothing's possible. They go through so much things. They are the definition of a true professional. This is what they do, all right? And I'm glad that they've been able to reap the benefits of their work. So shout outs to them. Shout out to the NBBF, our support, our village. We have a long way to go as a country, but the future looks bright.
Honestly, same as Coach, I feel incredibly blessed and thankful to be here with this team, with this coaching staff, with these people, with this village. It feels amazing to be able to represent my country. It feels amazing to be coached by this woman right here. It feels amazing to be able to play with these women that I get to play with and experience this with, and I feel so blessed to be able to do it.
Give us the speech that you gave with your players.
I can't give you the full speech.
Some few words.
Just a few words.
Give us your secret, Coach.
Just the Nigerian spirit. We're resilient. That's who we are, right? So in short words, I said, hey, go out and win this game, not only for yourself, for our country, okay? So we're always playing for something bigger than ourselves. We are leaving a legacy, and we're changing lives, and we're impacting lives. So if they're able to do that, the game is easy.
How does this group write its own legacy?
Yes.
Based on
Yeah. Anything is possible. Even when you're counted out or your back is against the wall, anything is possible if you come together and you believe. Come together and we believe. We only had 6 practices before our first game. A lot of teams were in camp for months, weeks, right? So we knew coming into this tournament that it was going to be a mental tournament. We could complain, oh, we're tired, oh, this, that. Nope, it's mental. So they were able to do that, and I'm so proud of them.
Congratulations for the win. Coach, you are an example for everybody now. I saw you on the bench since the beginning of the competition, and sometimes you are angry and your assistant is like, calm down, calm down. Sometimes it's him who is angry and you are like, calm down, calm down. How would you describe your relationship with him and how this balanced relationship help the team to reach the goal?
Yeah. Wani Muganguzi, that's my brother. And he is a true gem, all right? He's a head coach right now in France, and he's so brilliant, and he's a phenomenal human being, right? So it's easy for me to work with someone that we align. We have the same values. We want to win. We care about God. We care about family. We care about empowering women. So when you align, it's easy for things to work. And to be honest with you, behind every successful team is a band of coaches and support staff that make it go. Because after a while, they get tired of my voice, and someone else has to come behind me and soften the blow at times. And Wani's perfect. So big shout out to him.
Let's say it's a dynamic duo. It's a dynamic duo.
Thank you.
Are you?
Hi, Coach. Congratulations again. Phenomenal performance. I hope you don't mind. I would like to kind of get into the X's and O's a bit, if that's okay. It appeared that what kind of turned things around, and correct me if I'm wrong, you really kind of stopped their driving lanes, stopped Mali's driving lanes, stopped them from kind of controlling the paint, and kind of forced them to take shots. In my belief, it kind of turned things around a bit. Like, why did you feel that was the right way to go? And second question, you kind of started with going to the post with Musa. Why did you feel that was the right move to make?
Yeah, huge credit to Mali. They're extremely disciplined, and they play extremely hard. They play together. They play extremely fast, all right? So going into the game, we told the girls, hey, in order to win this game, we have to cut out their transition points. We got to get back. We have to protect the paint, all right? And we got punched in the face a little bit, but we dug down and was able to get those stops, which was huge for us. Musa, she's a warrior, and I knew She was struggling early in the tournament, but I knew if we kept going to her, she was going to produce. I'm so proud of her.
Last question, Julio.
June the FIBA basketball coach, how much longer do you see this Nigerian team staying at the top of women's basketball?
Hopefully for a very long time.
After all your achievements in Africa, what you did during the Olympics, you have great achievements. So now that you are reigning in Africa, do you want to go to reign? Do you want to go to push in the highest level, in the world level?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that question?
Okay. I'm so sorry. You did some great achievement in Africa, winning 5 AfroBasket. You did a great journey to the Olympics. Now, what do you need to go higher on the world level?
Wow. I mean,
Hey, you beat Australia.
yes.
I was there.
Yes. I want some hardware. I think we've done a lot of great things with Nigeria. I'm so thankful to be able to call myself a 3-time AfroBasket champion, a 2-time MVP. I'm looking forward to hopefully another Olympics, as many as my body can carry me to. I still have hopes for a WNBA opportunity. I want to play at the highest level whenever possible. I played EuroLeague. This next year I'll be playing Euro Cup in Turkey. I'm just following where the game is taking me and wanting to play at the highest level possible and playing the best that I can.
Bon, elle a fait de grandes choses sur le plan africain. Elle a joué en Europe, elle a joué l'Euroleague, elle a joué de grands tournois. Ce qu'elle espère le plus, c'est d'avoir une nouvelle opportunité sur la WNBA, voilà, qui serait pour elle le top. Amy, you played 2 years in France, so for the last word, I want you to say some few words in French.
Bonsoir à tous. Je m'appelle Amy Okonkwo, je suis nigérienne et j'habite aux États-Unis. Je suis très comment dire, contente pour tout support, pour the opportunity to be here. Merci.
Voilà. We can clap for Amy. Yeah.